Hi, I'm Mike Stepp with Stepp's Hillcrest Orchard. In 1964, my parents acquired this farm, but our agricultural roots in Henderson County stretch back to the 1930s when my dad began farming. His family owned a fruit and vegetable packing house. They grew, packed, and marketed their own fruits and vegetables, as well as that of other farmers. Around 1970, my mom and dad began to experiment with Pick Your Own. God blessed that work so much that through the years we were able to get completely out of wholesale and go entirely to retail. In 2003, we added school tours and Pick Your Own pumpkins. Today, my family and I own and operate the farm, and we still invite guests to our farm to pick their own on 38 acres of orchard, 5 acres of pumpkins, and grapes from our small grape vineyard. This year we are adding apple cider donuts, a 5-acre corn maze, and we're also adding a pumpkin and apple launcher for young and old as well. We're really excited about this year. We've been doing agricultural tourism now for about 45 years. We're very thankful for the strong support that Southern Mountain Fresh gives to local growers here, and we're proud to be members. Stepp's Hillcrest Orchard would like to invite you and your family out this fall to our farm. We hope to see you. Thank you.